I am Kanitsakis, I'm from Greece. Right now I'm living in Vienna as freelance music composer and freelance video producer and software tester on games. It makes me proud and happy to compose and play music and to be creative in a media production team. I want to have my own studio and to compose music with live players and to have a network relation with directors, actors and the media production in a big city like Vienna. Of course, music. I hope, I think music and swimming and athletics. I think it's some sport that sometimes I'm perfectionist, that is good, but sometimes it needs a lot of time. I speak Greek, English, a little bit of German and Spanish. I am meat eater, but I try to reduce it and to eat one per week to make fun of myself. I think that's the funniest thing. Right now I'm writing music for a video game and in a week we will crowdfund it in Kickstarter platform. For a mystery game and an adventure game. I work in MIDI. I try to establish what I want to play in a piano and then I produce it in Cubase and VST instruments. My philosophy is that I try to do my best, I try to do what I love, but without harm my friends, my family, and on reaching my purpose.